Mentakasngi kasantare ko nailur rajar pusau ke pulut jong kanong ba shlong ke layo ban kurup hadu santali ke suloil lani ke belatep kum ke guns ke belayo kurup na ke laitali ke kali yakini ke kali layo kurup hamar persya jong ke sekretariat hanong ba shlong nanta lalapru ya ke we kitiar kum ke woki toki wetar Utrai jong kita ki kali ulaong bakini ki suloi kilong tang mensubo klem da penser na lekam snow ya ki ba susu ulaong bahato ka sorka jelah ka don hok ayu ban bat yakum kini ki jaj suloi hapo ka jelah Meghalaya.
See, this is my vehicle, okay? And according to the rule of Meghalaya, I am also we are doing also a social work, and also I am the leader of GMDC. And we are doing a social work and everything. So, is there any right for the government, to say, not to put a private security, okay? And also, see, this is an all airgun. Is there a rule for the airgun, for the government of Meghalaya to seize the airgun? And that is my opinion only. We don't disturb the public. We don't disturb anyone only. And that is my own opinion only. Let the public decide only for that, and let the public opinion only for this. Thank you.
Well, for that.
China.